Hello, physics. Interesting question. The question is a spacecraft is circulating around Earth in an elliptical orbit. So this is a spacecraft. This is spacecraft. So it is orbiting the Earth in elliptical orbit. How the velocity of the peripy P point and apogee A point be changed if the spacecraft was in a circular orbit. If it is in circular orbit, what will be the velocity on this point? Extreme will change from this circular. So peripy is the nearest point from center and apogee is the farthest point. So P and A. So in elliptical orbit and a circular orbit, we have to compare these two things. So potential energy is equal to minus gmm over r, and r when r is reduced, potential energy goes up. When r is increased, potential energy is reduced. So this one. So here is r is smaller. Here is r is larger. So when R is larger, potential energy is reduced. So the kinetic energy is 2 mg gmm over 2R. So kinetic energy is also reduced. When R reduced, kinetic energy is increased because of the positive sign. There is a negative sign. So this is opposite. So the total is the kinetic energy plus potential energy, which is gmm over R half plus and minus this one, which is a minus 2r. So this one mean, so 2 gmm over 2r, this remains constant if r is constant. So if this is a is the closest point, this is faster, and it is the farthest point, it is slower because of the Kepler law, equal area in equal time. So, here at this point, the R is smaller. When R is smaller, kinetic energy is larger. When kinetic energy is larger, potential energy is smaller. So R is smaller, kinetic energy larger. So kinetic energy larger, this is faster. When R is larger, this one, when R is larger, so when R is larger, so kinetic energy is smaller. So when R is larger, kinetic energy is smaller. So this when R is large, kinetic energy is small. So small, kinetic energy is small, it is slower, but potential energy will be high. So in velocity per p is at the p point, a velocity will be faster. So this is faster and this is slower. So this is the answer that at 2 point. So this is a slower and this is faster and this is slower. This is January and this is July.